Hey guys, I have tickets for the prom night! Yeah! I didn't! The last one is mine!
Not in my watch. Bye!
No, give it back right now!
I don't think so, loser! Get up! Oh,
Baby.
Oopsie!
Watch it.
Oh, he's schmexy!
Cool!
Huh? Come on, Barbie, let's go party.
I need to become a Barbie! You've no chance!
Wanna bet? Yay, prom party!
Oh, look!
Do you wanna take me?
No.
What about me?
No.
That leaves me, you're gone!
Hey, what about me?
Let me think. No.
Move along! Do you want to come with me?
Oh yeah, you're the only one for me.
Oh,
Come here, sweetie.
What?
Yep, buckle up, babe. It's just you and me.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna become a Barbie! Prepare to lose!
As if.
Okay, I need inspiration.
What the?
Come to Moma. Oh, we're gonna be twinsies, huh? Perfect!
Why did you do that? Oh, wait. One person's trash. Oh, just what I need. I have just the plan. Good job, I aced Crafting Club. No time to lose. All good things come to those who craft. Done. Operation Barbie Transformation. It's gonna be a walk in the park, huh?
Butler, where are you? Come!
Here, ma'am.
Oh, baby blue. Huh? Nice, but boring.
Something exciting, perhaps?
Oh, okay, I'm in game. Don't make me angry. You wouldn't like me angry. Next. Too much pink? Never, huh? Oh yeah, pinkalicious.
Which ones, ma'am?
Yeah. Oh, give me the gold ones.
Don't you want to be Barbie, ma'am?
Yes, of course. When in doubt, wear pink and sparkles. Here goes. These heels may be high, but my standards are higher. Oh, wow, I'm a Barbie girl, huh?
Oh, I need a dress too. From this. Okay, let's see. But it has to be pink. This is more like Wednesday. Oh, but look. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. Nice. What stinks? Ew, a trash turd. But it's all I've got. Here goes nothing. Oh no, but I smell like a toilet. Oh, you'll do. You might say a shit, but I see. Wait for it. Wow, my new dress. Yay!
Okay, now my Barbie makeover. Butler, come.
Banish those blemishes. Go for gold.
Who's the golden girl?
I need a mask too. Oh, a natural back to nature I go. Robin, real good.
I'm done. Oh, Butler!
Here, ma'am. Huh? Ew! Oh, my eyes!
I'm glowing, huh?
Hold on a sec. Much better.
So itchy. No. It wasn't ivy. It was poison ivy. Ladybug. But I have an idea. Toilet paper and stick. I need more. Thanks God for the TikTok hacks. Chill whilst the magic works. It must be time. Okay. Nailed it. Slay like a Barbie. A face, check. Barbalicious.
Oh, coming through.
Make me classy, sassy, and little bit badassy, ha! It's tickly! Ta-da! Mirror! What's this? A Unacceptable! Oh, you're all fired! Out! I'll do it myself. Oh, it's too pale. Side swipe. Doesn't suit Franklin either. Okay, what else?
Let's see. No, they are empty. Now what I'm gonna do? Maybe. Get off! But this will do. Sharpen for the shavings to drop. A couple more twists. Then dab your finger in. And... wait. This aren't part of my new look. Apply to both eyelids. Wow!
Nope, no good. Not you either. Oh, you! Your turn. You know, when in doubt, add more pink. Yeah! This is the one! Pink isn't just a color. It's an attitude. I'm perfect. Look at you. Your makeup is pathetic.
I'll show that Barbie wannabe. Oh no! This is not fair. Let me see. Whoa! What's that? Gross! I know a hack for this. Hold tight. Okay. What? The gods are against me today. Made it. I only need it for a minute. Let's do this. Yeah, smashed it. Fruity. Nice. And another one bites the dust. Oh my god, what's up?
My nails!
Yes, milady, what's the problem?
They've got no bling!
Diamonds are girl's best friend, eh?
We're beautiful like diamond in the sky. Queen of bling, huh? Look, huh? Can will be mine. All mine.
I need to do my nails too. But how? Think I must have seen a hack. Yeah, now I remember. Right shade too. A pop of pink, a touch of glam, and a lot of attitude. Done. Fabulous. Nails, check. What's next? Blonde hair. It's impossible. I need comfort. Chocolate comfort. Oh, Teddy, what will I do? I needed a bear hug. I feel better. Oh, Teddy, you're molting. Oh, it's blonde. Yay. Time to shed, Ted. Only your excess, though. That's enough. Wow. Blondes have more fun. Done. Hair, check.
She thinks she can beat me, huh? I don't think so. Look, just what I need. Ordered. Let me try it. This had better work. Yeah, glamorous, stylish, and oh so fabulous. I know. Butler crown.
Here, milady, the family jewels.
Oh, now I'm Princess Barbie, huh?
Oh, she's got a crown. I want one too. I need you more than chocolate. No one will foil my pain. A few snips and cuts. And done. When I fall, I stand up, then straighten my crown. Finally, crown check. I'm ready. This girl is ready
More
to
like poor party, haha.
Mean macho.
Loser. Oh, he's here, and I'm coming. Hi, Ken.
Why have one when there's two Barbies?
Only me, really.
Ken, bro, look what I got! Wow! Wow, 2 cans! Let's play!
I don't care. He's loser.
Boys!
Kiss me. Ew! I can't believe you! Why would you do this to me? You loser!
Not funny.
I hate you all! Oh no, just my luck. At least I have me.
How's life on the floor, huh?
Ew! I look terrible, I know. I need to change something. So pretty. I love him. Should I talk to him again?
Hey, her.
Get it out! Get it out! I hate spiders!
Sorry about that. It's plastic, see?
Oh, you saved me.
Give up on this girl.
Nobody loves me. What's wrong with me? I hate you! Stupid girl. What's in here? Scary! No thanks. What's this for? Oh, look! This will do! Fits perfectly! I look like that? Nothing like a clean face. Maybe some makeup will help. Oh, no! Oh, black! Oh, I think I went too far. I have an idea.
Go, go, go! I can do this.
Thanks, Dad. All I needed. Squeeze that. Trust me here. I'm gonna look fabulous. Smoky eye tutorial, girl. Oh, nice. Looking good. No. Ew, that was inside of me? Disgusting. Let's pretend nothing happened here. I don't know what to do. Ah, Nutella. Finally, someone who understands me. Oh, I know. I can use it as lipstick. Yum. Oh, no.
Hey, kid, are you okay? What are you doing? What on earth? My cucumbers. Kids!
He has no idea. Yummy. My hair, I have to change it. What's this? Let's look. Paint? Hair color? No. Glitter. This is what I need. So beautiful. Oh no, what's happening? Ah! Oh boy. At least I have new hair. My face looks terrible though. Much better. Ew, my teeth. How can I clean it? Nah, not this. This will do. Let's try this. Perfect. Ah. As good as new. And fresh. Let's add this. Bling bling. Oh no.
What just happened? What's this? Okay, then.
Opsy, sorry. Okay, let's continue. One day I'll look so good that he will love me for sure.
Wow. What's that?
Stop it! Stop looking! Go back! My shirt! It's no good! Maybe there's something in there. Let's see. Maybe this one. Definitely this one. No! It's still too girly. This one? Who knows? Ew, too pink. I don't have any clothes. This gives me an idea. Ripped jeans, check. With a special touch. What am I missing? Oh, that thing!
Are you this person? You are, aren't you?
I'm innocent.
This is you. No, I swear! This is you right here! Blonde hair?
Bye-bye.
This is perfect. Let's put them. I look so good. My shirt is still pink. No, I have to change it. Think. I know. Let's DIY this. Purple is the new black. Hide.
Hey, girl.
For you.
What? Did this just happen? Oh, wow. I want this one. Nah, not these. What can I use? I think I know. He won't need this. So stinky. This will work. Let's cover this. This is what I'm talking about. I look awesome. But a little stinky. The socks. I have to do something about it. Let's see here. Nice. The perfect touch. You go, girl. Maybe I can add some of these. I know a trick. Free piercings! This one's good. I always wanted a nose one. Not at all too much. I think I'm ready. Ready to shine.
Hey, kid, huh? Where are you? I need to talk to you. Where could she be? I give up on this girl.
Sorry, Dad. Yes, I did it. Should I feel bad for him?
My baby girl.
I love you, Daddy.
Huh? What? Why?
Hey, everyone. Guess who's back? By popular demand.
Wow, who's that girl?
Oh, hey, boys.
Hey, beautiful. You good? Kiss?